Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we have Captain Cat in our world. He is going to destroy us all, so we need to get prepared before he came. So we are going to start by building a wall around this village so we can protect all these villagers. So we need to make sure our village is safe. I know this sounds creepy, but we have to do it no matter what. I'm almost done surrounding the whole village. With the help of my sister, we can do this. Done. So it's time to put iron golems for extra safety. Yeah, this should do it. I'm done, so it should be here any moment now. Oh, it's here.
Oh no, what are we going to do?
Don't worry, I got this. So I'm going to try to eliminate this cat once and for all.
What? Are you crazy? You're gonna kill yourself.
Relax, everything is going to be fine. Just steady my aim, man. Killing all my iron golems. Oh boy. Oh, that arm looks like it wants to get me now. Come on, why won't you die? The way it's swallowing the golems is so gross. Oh, come on. Come on, golems, get him! Well, I'm going there myself now.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, I am. I need to teach this thing a lesson. I'm here, cat. Come and get me now. Why it's not taking damage? Come on, die! It's time to finish this once and for all. No, don't look at me. Die! If you've enjoyed our video, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you.